Welcome back to Venom Motorsports. Today I got with me the Venom X19. Let's take a look at this bike. Venom X19 is a fully automatic motorcycle. What that means is you just twist the throttle and go. In other words, you don't have a clutch and you also don't have a shifter. It's just a twist throttle and go. You come with two keys. Turn it on, you gotta hold one of the brakes, press the power button. It's got a beautiful sounding exhaust, nice and loud so people can hear you while you're riding. And once again, it is fully automatic, so I'm not gonna twist it too much, but if you just give it, it's ready to go. You'll get a top speed of 75 miles an hour. It's got a 30-inch seat height, LED headlights in the front, dual red shocks in the rear, a 3.9 gallon fuel tank. It's pretty fuel efficient as well. You'll get about close to 100 miles per gallon on this. You got a rear wheel fender, mudguard. You have a backup Kickstarter in case for any reason you leave your lights on, your bike on, and your battery gets drained. You can always kickstart it. It's a super simple bike, guys. Very easy to ride, very easy to use. It's almost like riding a bicycle, just much faster. This is the Venom X19.